Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss the structure activity relationship of morphine analogs, which belongs to the category of opioid analgesics. As we know, morphine is considered as the standard compound in opioid analgesics. So today we are going to discuss the SAR of morphine analogs. As you can see in the structure, this is the structure of morphine. You can see this structure consists of basically 5 rings, in which we have a aromatic ring. This is the A ring. Then we have basically these 3 rings system, these 3 fuse rings, these 3 6-membered fuse rings are called phenanthrene ring system. So morphine is basically consists of a phenanthrene ring system, and in the structure it has a oxygen linkage, as you can see, and it also has a nitrogen linkage, as you can see here. So as you can see the numbering system of morphine. So the numbering of morphine basically start from this point. This is considered 1. So first we have to take this numbering into the periphery. So 1 2 3 4, and then jump this oxygen, and we have here 5, then 6 7 8, and then here 9 10 11 12 13 14. So this is the numbering system of the morphine molecule. So now we will begin the SAR of morphine analog. So the first point in the SAR of morphine is, if the first point I will tell you that this aromatic ring is important for activity. If we remove this aromatic ring, the A ring which you see in the structure, the A ring, if we remove this aromatic ring from the structure, the compound will become inactive. So this aromatic ring is essential for the analgesic activity or the activity of the compound. Second point is this, that if we do any kind of substitution on this aromatic ring, the A ring, except on third position, if we perform any kind of substitution on any other position except 3, it will decrease the analgesic activity of the compound. Okay, now at third position of this aromatic ring, the A ring, we have the OH group. If we mask this OH group by etherification, that we simply convert it into the methyl ether or ethyl ether, what it will cause? It will cause the decrease in analgesic activity of the compound. If we simply place a methyl ether or ethyl ether in the place of this phenolic OH group, it will give a compound that is only have 1/10 activity of the morphine, and the compound will called is codeine, as you can see in the structure. If we perform the esterification of the OH groups, the OH group, the first one is at third position and the second is at sixth position. If we perform the esterification of this OH group at the third position and the sixth position, then the compound become more active. It will have more analgesic property than the morphine. So if we simply perform the acetylation at the third position and sixth position OH group, the compound will become heroin, that is diacetyl morphine, and which is 2 times more active than the morphine in terms of analgesic activity. If we simply introduce a OH group at the 14th position right here, if we simply introduce a OH group at the 14th position, as you can see 14th position, if we simply introduce a OH group into the 14th position, then we got a more potent compound which is more potent than the morphine. We got the compound which is called oxymorphone. We got the compound oxymorphone, and it is more potent than the morphine. Okay, if we simply break this ether bridge, this oxygen bridge, if we simply break this ether bridge, we break this ether bridge or oxygen bridge, and we also cause removal of ring C, this ring. If we remove this ring and we simply break this bridge, oxygen bridge or ether bridge, what will we get? We will get a active compound, but it has a bit lesser activity than the morphine. We will get pentazocine from this approach. In pentazocine, what we does, we simply remove this oxygen bridge and we simply remove this C ring, and the compound we will get is pentazocine, which has analgesic activity but which is less than the morphine. Okay, if we simply cause the saturation of this 7-8 double bond, if what we does, this 7-8, the double bond at the 7 and 8th position, what we does, if we simply cause the saturation of this 7-8 double bond or the unsaturation at the 7-8 position, will get a active compound which is equivalent or even more superior in activity compared to morphine. It means this unsaturation at the 7 and 8, between the 7 and 8th position, is not essential for the analgesic activity of the compound. We can, if we can remove this double bond, we simply saturate this 7 and 8th position, we will get a equivalently active compound or more active compound with analgesic activity. If, as I told you earlier, if we cause any type of substitution in this aromatic ring, the A ring, we cause any type of substitution except on 3rd position, it will cause decrease in analgesic activity. And if we simply remove the aromatic ring from the structure, it will give a non-active compound. So this is the structure activity relationship of morphine analogs, and this is all for today's class. Thank you.